Are you ready for this? Okay. This is my son. I wish.
Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Keep it the encouragement. These little ones need all the love. There you go.
Yes. I know you can do better than that. Come on, family, make some noise.
Are you guys ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, make sure that they can see your numbers. They see your. Give it up for my son.
Be good, Uncle Tony. Be good, Uncle Tony. So, because we all used to love this cue, and then we grow up and gravity took over. So, one more time for the lovely Kickies, everybody.